Check the deformation readings here. We're showing a slight spike.
Roger. Adjusting ballast now. Keep monitoring the pressure on bag 3.
Cable tension stable at 0.4. Maintain current ascent rate.
Roger that. Holding steady.
Half team, bring her slightly to port. Steady now, easy down. All clear, set her down. Keep moving the hose line up. All right, we're clear down below.
Right here, the laser scan shows significant loss.
Applying the marker now. This section is critical.
Steady, bring it up slow. Watch the starboard clearance. Easy right. Hold it there. Easy now, bring it down 5 meters. 5 meters, understood. Hold steady on the starboard side. All right, easy now, bring it up slowly.
We need to focus reinforcement here on the starboard side.
The schematics show significant degradation around the torpedo bulge.
These are the high-strength alloys, exactly to spec.
Good. Send the first batch to the plasma cutter now. This one goes to level 3, right?
Affirmative. The BB-39 replacements are all staged there.
The preparatory work here is complete, mister. We can start welding immediately.
Very good, let's proceed.
Cut a little deeper on the left side there. Almost through, boss. All right, get the crane ready to pull this section out.
Needs to move left a little more.
We've got 20 millimeters here, Foreman.
All right, hold it steady. That's good. Weld her up.
The reinforcement plates on the keel look secure, but monitor the stress points during the next phase.
Roger that. We'll keep the sensors active. There's that joint. Check the tolerances on that joint. Looks good. We'll sign off on this section.
Áp suất ổn định rồi. Sẵn sàng chưa?
Thôi xong rồi. Bắt đầu đi.
Team B, hold your position on the seam. Roger that, holding steady.
Keep the nozzle steady on that patch. Roger that.
Almost done with this section.
Keep the lines straight. We're running power to the main battery control. Move it along now.
Power conduits energized. Check synchronization.
Fluctuation on the auxiliary line. It's stabilizing. We have full synchronization, Chief.
Run the turbine sequence again, slowly.
Confirmed. Running sequence B.
Radar initialized and sweeping.
Rotate the port slowly now. Axis is aligned. Securing bolts. Check the firing system.
Check auxiliary power coupling on the main console. We have unstable voltage readings.
Confirmed. Adjusting flow regulators now. The signal integrity is holding steady.
The finish on the starboard side is excellent. Go ahead and remove the lower structure.
Roger. Moving the crane now.
Rudder mechanisms are fully calibrated.
What about the anchor lines? Are they ready for release?
Yes, Chief. All checks complete. We are ready to launch. All engines ahead flank. Maintain course 090. Check stability report from the observation deck.
Mechanism engaged.
Rail clear. Test successful, sir.
The hull integrity seems sound, but take a closer look at the propeller screw.
I've logged the observation. The anti-corrosion layer is flawless.
Stand by for synchronization test. All hands, clear the breach.
Turret rotation engaged, sir.
Synchro check complete. Status green.
All right, easy now. Set her down steady.
This one's secure, Cap. She's not going anywhere.
Looks good. Let's get these chairs squared away.
Ensure all the gas fittings are properly tightened before we sign off on this section.
Already done, sir. We tested the lines twice. Secure the cabinet on the left bulkhead.
This bed is heavier than it looks. How are the levels?
Aft side needs adjustment.
We have a red alert on the auxiliary controls. Reroute power immediately.
Bridge, confirm synchronization status.
Make sure that connection is tight, Charlie. We can't afford any leaks down here.
Yeah, almost got it. I'll log the pressure reading now.
Make sure all the fittings on the lower deck are secured properly.
Yes, sir. This panel here was loose.
Status report on the CXAM.
Synchronized and operational, Captain.
Attention! Prepare for color ceremony. Hand salute!